Okay, so part threes. We have a fraction equation, and we know the LCD is x squared minus 9 times negative 1. And negative 1 comes from that area, so when we multiply through, we're left with negative 1 times x minus 3 minus 2 times x plus 3 equals negative 4. Solving that out, that gives you negative x plus 3 minus, minus 2x minus 6 equals negative 4, giving you negative 3x equals negative 4 minus 1, sorry, so x equals 1/3. And check your denominators, that works. Good. Alright, tan of A is 2/3, sine of B is 5 radical 41, and they're in the first quadrant. That means that if we're dealing with that second angle, this one, we have a right triangle. We know that this is 5, this is radical 41. 25 minus 41 is 16, square root of that is 4. So we know that tan of B is 5/4. Alright, so tan of A plus B, we'll use our formula, is tan of A plus tan of B divided by 1 minus tan of A tan B, which gives you 2/3 plus 5/4 divided by 1 minus 2/3 5/4. Alright, 2/3 plus 5/4. That's going to be 12, so that's 8. 8/12 plus 15, so it's 23 plus divided by 10/12. 1 minus that is 2/12. 12s cancel, so we're left with 23/2. Good. 35% of fish caught in local lake had higher energy levels of mercury. Suppose that 10 fish were caught from this lake. Find the nearest percent probability that at least 8 of 10 fish do not contain high energy levels. Alright, hold on 1 second. Okay, so let's look at this question. You have 8 out of 10. We've never covered this yet in class, but so 8 out of 10. So that gives us, there's a formula here that you need to know. From this n, NCR, P to the R, Q to the n minus r. Alright. Now, NCR, that's the n is 10, the r is 8. So we have at least 8 out of 10. So we're going to have 10C8, since it's at least 10, at least 8, I'm sorry, we have 10C9. I'm making your video, 10C10. And we're going to add these eventually. Now the P stands for the probability to be successful. We want to be successful. Did not contain, 35% did, so we want to be successful 65% of the time. that's going to be 0.65. 0.65 and 0.65. The R in each case, this is 8, 9, 10. The Q is rate of failure, so that's the difference from 1, so in this case that's the 35%, 0.35. N minus R, so that's 2, 0.35. That's to the first, and 0.35 to 0, we don't have to write. We'll write it. So, when you type this in your calculator, and you hit equals, you should get 0.17565. You should end up here with 0.07249. Over here, you should end up with 0.01346, giving us a total of 0.2616. Or, in our case, is 26.16%. Good. Or, now they want it to the nearest tenth of a percent. So, 0.16 is really for us 26.2%. Good. Alright. Next and last problem. Solve algebraically. Right, you have a log problem that the other side is not equal to a log. Anytime you have that, we have to put that in exponential form. So, that means it's base to the power. So it's going to be x plus 3. So we have x plus 3 squared equals x to the third plus x minus 2 all over x. X plus 3 squared times x, we can cross multiply that. So you get x to the squared here. We have x squared plus 6x plus 9. When you distribute that out, equals x to the third plus x minus 2 divided by x. We're going to cross multiply that out, and we're left with x to the third plus 6x squared plus 9x. X to the third plus x plus 2. The x to the third is cancel. It's quadratic. We bring everything to the left. So that gives us 6x squared minus plus 8x plus 2 plus 2 equals 0. Alright, you're going to factor out a 2, so we're left with 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. You're going to factor that, which gives you 3x plus 1 and x plus 1. Solve, you get 3x plus 1 equals 0, and x plus 1 equals 0. X equals negative 1/3, and x equals 1, negative 1. Good. Check them both in the equations, and in this case they both work. Good. We're done.